In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use IF formula in LibreOffice Calc. The IF function is one of the most useful tools for making quick decisions in your spreadsheet. It looks at a condition you define and then returns one value if that condition is true and a different value if it's false. Think of it as a simple yes or no test that helps you categorize or label your data automatically. Here's the basic syntax you'll use. Equals IF, then an opening parenthesis, followed by the condition, a semicolon, the value if true, another semicolon, the value if false, and then a closing parenthesis. Written out, that's if condition, value if true, value if false. In our example, we're going to grade scores as either pass or fail based on a cutoff of 50. Set up a small table with two columns. In column A, label it score. In column B, label it result. Underscore, enter a few sample values such as 85, 45, and 70 each on its own row. Leave the result column blank for now. We'll fill that using the IF formula. Click into cell B2 where you want the first result to appear and type this formula exactly. Show IF A2 50s, pass, fail. Then press enter. Here's what it's doing. A2 should 50 is the logical test. If the number in A2 is greater than or equal to 50, the function returns the text pass. Otherwise, it returns fail. Because those words are text, they must be in quotation marks. If A2 is 85, you'll see pass as the result. To apply the same logic to the rest of the list, use the fill handle. Hover over the small square at the bottom right corner of B2 until your cursor changes, then drag down to fill B3 and B4. LibreOffice will automatically adjust the references to A3 and A4. With our sample data, 45 will show fail and 70 will show pass. A couple of helpful tips as you work. If you're in a region where LibreOffice uses commas instead of semicolons, replace the semicolons in the formula with commas. If you ever see an unexpected zero or an error, check that your scores are stored as numbers, not text. Text numbers won't evaluate correctly in comparisons. You can also change the cutoff by editing 50 to any number you like, and customize the messages by replacing pass and fail with any text you prefer. That's it. You've just learned how to build a clear, reliable pass-fail check using the IF function in LibreOffice Calc and how to apply it quickly down a column.